Hi guys and good morning. Well, my name is Ron. Just wanted to give you some of my thoughts here. So today is Friday. It's February 26th. I'm at where it all started in downtown Leominster here at the Medicinal Brook area for my weight loss journey. On August 17th, I was down here, took a photograph of my friend Mary. She took a photograph of me standing over there by that tree in front of me. And at the time, I was a pretty heavy guy. And I made the most important decision of my life, which was to lose weight and go on the ketogenic lifestyle. Now, I've been hearing some negative things about keto when you tell people about keto and how you're losing weight. And I just want to stress, first of all, I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims. When it comes to weight loss and you're trying to lose weight, you do you, and I'll do me. And I worry about myself and my wife and my family and my many Facebook friends, but don't listen to negative thoughts. I'm doing keto clean. I've been making everything from scratch and eating everything healthy. I stay away from processed foods. I told somebody about my weight loss journey yesterday. They were asking me how it was going and stuff like that. When I told them I was down 70 pounds just about. I did have 70 pounds at one point earlier this year, but this past year, but it's like anything else, you have ups and downs, and we're not going to sweat the small stuff. I often said, you're doing a weight loss journey. This is a lifetime journey, and if you want something to eat, have it. And that's exactly what I did, and that was the reason for my weight gain. Now, I've been under a lot of stress lately with my bed because I'm not sleeping at nighttime. My back is just absolutely terrible. I did have a good night's sleep last night, but yeah, there's only one night of sleep I'm getting every week, maybe if I'm lucky. We heard some good news this morning on the stimulus front. It looks like Biden is passing the stimulus check, so we should be getting that the first part of next month. And most of that money is going to be going to two beds, one for my wife and one for myself. We each need a new mattress and a new box spring. And buying myself a Canon M50 camera so I can do some more video photography and some more video with it. And started filming some recipes last night to see how it was going. But this is all going to be trial and practice with the recipe filming. And I made contact with a nutritionist last night. I think we're going to get together and start doing some her thoughts and her recipes, and maybe do some filming with some of the local vegetables that are being grown here within our city. But so I try to stay away from negative people. I try not to let it bother me too much, but I just think people aren't educated enough on keto, because I often get that look about, oh, you're doing keto, because maybe they heard too many negative things on it. But it's been really positive for me. I mean, other than my back, I feel terrific. I'm so happy and I'm so proud of myself. I'm down to a size 40 pants from a size 48 last August. I mean, to me that's incredible. Not only that, I'm fitting into a 1X shirt, and on some shirts, and most of the time it's a 2X. But I feel absolutely terrific now. Today I got my Leominster hoodie on and my Bruins hat. They got smoked last night, but you know what? Even though it's a short season, it's still a long season. They got plenty of games to go, and it looks like they're going to be right there when it comes time for the playoffs. And the governor said yesterday that they can stop putting fans inside the stadium, so that should really help them. And we're going back up to 50% capacity, and if everybody wears your mask and do what you're supposed to do and stay away from people as best you can, and we're going to get out of this. This is just going to take a little bit of time, and I'm not too leery right now about the vaccine for the flu shot, but I'm on a wait and see mode. So we're going to wait and see on that, but we'll probably eventually get one later on this year, and want to see what everybody else is doing and how to before this. I want more information on it first before I decide to have one. But I'm just letting you know it's going good. Just wanted to tell you to stay away from negative people. You do you. And if you're not a member of my YouTube community, please feel free to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember, you guys are always amazing. Today we're just out getting a winter stroll in. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. We're downtown Leominster. We went over there to the Main Street area up by St. Leo's Parish this morning and took some video photographs of that area. And now we're down over here to finishing up our walk before we go home. Planning on doing a lot of walking every day when it's nice out, when there's no ice and snow on the sidewalks or or my other favorite places, then I'm going to go walking over there too. But we have a lot of walking planned for this coming year. We're going to be busting off some more weight, and today we're making a New England clam chowder, and yeah, so everything's going to be good. We made some double eggs last night, and we did the 5-5-5 method in the Instant Pot. And I said, no, if somebody asked me, I said, isn't that a lot of work? And I said, well, not really if you want to get a good tasting egg and an easier way to make the eggs. So I did basically, I let the eggs warm up a little bit under room temperature, and I did 6 eggs in the Instant Pot, and a cup of cold water, put them on a trivet, and then I brought it up to pressure for 5 minutes, let it natural release for 5, and then I put them in a cold bath, and these shells just came right off, and they were grass-fed eggs. And then I just made the, I used a half avocado is what I used, and a little bit of my mayonnaise, and a little bit of avocado oil, and I pureed them in the food processor, and that was my base for my my double eggs. And then I used a little paprika on them for flavoring, and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. It was that simple, and they were really, really great. I made 6 of them, and I got a couple left for today for a snack. But just letting you guys know, we're having a good day, we're having a good week. You guys stay safe, and you guys are amazing. But please, if you're not already a member of my community, please feel free to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free, it costs nothing. It just helps my other members know that when I have post a new video. And I'm going to continue my walk today now, and I'll post some photographs along the way of my walk, so you'll see of our beautiful city of Leominster that we have up here in the Northeast. I'm a Leominster native. I was born in Leominster in 1956. I've been here just about all my life. I did for a while stay in South Carolina. Thought it might have been an option. I didn't care for it, and I even tried Canada for a little bit, and I didn't care for that either. And Leominster is always my hometown, and this is where I'm going to be. And we even tried Plymouth for a little bit. 5 minutes from the ocean, and I'm not an ocean person. I like Leominster. I'm a Leominster guy. But anyways, I'll let you guys go. You guys are amazing. Have a great week, and we'll fill you in on Monday's update on my weight loss journey. But as of this morning, when I weighed myself, I'm down 63 pounds. I'm down to 262 pounds from 325. And I think that's terrific. And remind you guys, I'm 5'8", and I'm 64 years old. If anybody can do it, I can do it. Jess can do it from Keto Rewind. And I also been following another YouTuber there. I just found her about a month ago. Her name is Steffi from The Incredible Shrinking Woman. And The Incredible Shrinking Steffi is what her YouTube channel is. And she has a Facebook page. I'll put the link below the video. So if you want to follow her along, you can start following her. But yeah, everybody that's trying to lose weight, we all know that we're all in it together, and we're all in it to win it. And I'm not giving up. And even when I lose all my weight and desired weight, and I go skydiving and all that, I'm still not giving it up. I'm going to stay on keto the rest of my life. I might have my ups and downs along the way, but the point of it is not to give up. And today's theme is stay away from negative people. And you guys have a great day, and enjoy the view, and enjoy your day, and enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and stay healthy.